So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Ion Exchange share. So today you can see the stock has given a very good move of almost 6%. So not only today, since the past week the stock was showing strong momentum. So what are the reasons? The first main reason is because of the financials. So if we see the quarter 1 results which it has posted, you can see it has shown a very good improvement as compared to the previous quarter. If you're regularly following me, you might be knowing I already discussed about this particular stock 1 month back itself when it was trading around 650 rupees. So I discussed the important support which was 626, which was very crucial. So but the particular stock also touched that particular level, and again it has shown some retracement. So that is the importance of levels. And also this particular stock is fundamentally very strong because it is into the water treatment. I've explained everything in this particular video. If you have not watched it, you can definitely watch it, and if you're new to the channel, can definitely subscribe the channel, and also you can share it with your friends. So firstly, when we see the June 2020 results, that is the quarter 1, the revenue has slightly decreased almost 17.66%. It has reduced, but you can see the net income has increased almost 30%. Diluted EPS has increased. Even net profit margin increased almost 56.83%. Even in this particular situation, especially the COVID times, also this particular stock has shown some positive results. So if we compare with the previous quarter, that is March 2020, you can see everything was down. So we can see a very good, we can say, improvement was seen in the financial. So that's why even the stock has also respected the technical levels and has given a good journey. So now we'll try to find out the next levels, and also we'll do the volume analysis, which is very important. So watch the video till end so that you'll not miss any update. So when we see the FIIs holding in this particular stock, you can see the FIIs holding how much we can see increment is seen. So although it is a slight holding is there, but we can say a good amount is present with the FIIs as well. So June 2018, we can see 0.8 was present with FIIs, but later they have increased in a gradual way quarter on quarter, and currently it is near 1.8. So good amount is present with the FIIs. And also we know that Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is also holding this particular stock. So don't think in that way that he is investing so that we should also invest. So not in that way, since the fundamentals are very great. So that's why I personally told that this particular stock is very good. So you need to think in that way, will the future be present for the company or not? Since the future is into water treatment, which is very essential. So that's why we discussed about this particular stock. So next, when we see the volume analysis, you can see on 24th August 2020, you can see 78.2% was present, and you can see how much the deliverable quantities have increased. So traded quantity is very less. So much trading doesn't happen in this stock. Only deliverable quantity will be seen. And if you compare with the weekly, monthly, you can see 78% is very good as compared to 59, 64 as well as 69. So increase is seen in the deliverable quantity. So it implies that most of the people are showing interest to buy this particular stock after the financials which were reported. Okay, when we see the returns of it, you can see in 1 week it has given 5.77, in 1 month 23.68, 3 months 29.56, 1 year 31. So the particular what we say, this particular today's session returns are not added, so you can calculate almost in 1 month itself you are getting 30% plus return. So that is very good returns. And if you see 5 years 246 and 10 years almost 275% returns were reported by the company. Okay, so we can say very decent returns were given. So since the fundamentals are very great, that's why the returns are also very good for the company. So when we see the technicals, so what the indicators are suggesting, so you can see momentum, we can say the stock was, we can say highly, we can say in a good move since the past week. And if you see RSI, it is a 72, money flow index is also near 79. So we can say almost they're approaching the overbought region. Generally 70 above itself is overbought. So we can say they are in overbought region. So almost from 600 to 800 plus is also a very good move within a short span of time. So do mention in the comments comment section who have added this particular stock after when I discussed about this particular stock 1 month ago. So do mention if you're having profit also. And if you see MACD is also still we can say is showing some momentum. So now we'll move on to the charts and we'll do some technical analysis and we'll try to find out the next levels. So you're back onto the technical. So on 1 day chart, you can see the stock has given a breakout from the pivot point. So today itself, almost that is the 799.10 rupees level. So you can see currently it's around 815.85. So today 6% upward move was seen. Almost 46 rupees movement was seen by the stock. So we can see whenever it breaks any pivot point, you can see how well the movement it generates. So when it has given breakout here also movement was seen. So currently it has given breakout from this particular level. So then we need to watch tomorrow what will be the next level. So for me the resistance is around 830 rupees. So after that further breakout, we can say 850 plus would be achieved easily in this particular stock. So since it is fundamentally strong, no doubt and no worries that this particular stock will not break the 850 rupees level. So this was the particular level when we discussed that was a support, that is 629, which was a very good support. So there is not much clarity. So we'll go to 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart, you can see this is the level which I insisted, I focused more, I told that this will be very crucial support. So whenever it has touched this particular level, almost 1, 2, 3, 4 times it has touched that particular level and it has respected without any further downfall. So after that, you can see how the movement was seen. It has given breakout from the pivot point, the moving averages also, and it is trading near the next resistance, that is almost 830 rupees. So if it gives a breakout, then immediately 850, which we discussed, should be achieved within a short span of time. Okay, and also MACD is also still in a bullish crossover and it's suggesting that still momentum is possible. So even though money flow index is in overbought region, in between some correction may happen, but if you're holding, and you should not panic if any correction happens. So since we have discussed the fundamentals, then definitely you should try to add at each and every dip rather than doing any sort of selling. Okay, so focus on these levels. So if 830 plus is given a breakout, then definitely 850 should be achieved. So if you want to invest, then definitely wait for the little correction. If it happens around 800, 780, 750, you can try if any correction happens. Okay, so this is all about Ion Exchange. If you like the video, definitely like and subscribe, and also share it to your friends if you found it useful. So until then, take care. Bye bye.